So yeah, guys, my name is Kumar. You're watching me. Let's start this routine video without any further delay. So this video is about the routine of 18th April 2020. Sorry, in the in the previous one of the videos, I told you that this video is about the this April, but this month is the month of June, and that was done by my mouth, but I don't know why it's happened, and I don't know it's happened why. Okay, so I told you that this video is about the 18th April, but this is the month of June. So basically, this video is about the routine of 18th June 2024. Okay, so in this video I'm going to tell you about the today's routine, basically what I had done. If you are new on my channel, so let me explain you why I upload my videos. Because basically from the last many videos I didn't told you about that, why I shoot my videos and why I upload my videos on YouTube, what is the purpose of my shooting this video. So that's all the things I'm gonna do explain you briefly. After that I'll tell you the routine. So basically I shoots videos in English to improve my English speaking skills, and I want to save this video at a better place. I know that the gallery is the my phone's storage is the best place to store this video, but if I shoots day by day many videos, when it happen many videos, my storage is fully filled, and after that my phone started hanging, and there were no storage to upload extra videos. So that's why I upload my videos on YouTube to save my phone's storage, and that video will be memorable for me. Simple. And but if I in one line, if I tell you, I do all the kinds of things to just improve my English speaking skills. That's it. So basically, uh, you know, guys. Okay, it's enough. So let's start this routine video. But wait, guys. I'll start today's routine video. You can see that I was sweating happens too much. After pausing this video, I'm going to pause this video. After that, I will on the cooler. Okay. So after that, I feel clean my this sweating at a proper manner. After that, I off the cooler and I started sweating the video. Let's see at how many minutes later I got sweating like this. Okay. So let me pause this video first. Okay. So now you guys see that now at right now at 2 minutes 54 second I don't have any sweating happening. So let's see where it seems like 3 minutes. Okay, it is happening 3 minutes. Let's see after that at what time I will got started sweating like that. Okay, so let's start today's routine video. Basically today I woke up at very late. Okay, after that I bring my cloth, and after that I went to the ground floor. After that I washed my mouth, and after that I had taken the bath. After that I worshipped it a very proper manner. After that I don't know, I ate food on that time. I don't know exactly about that. Okay, so this is the reason. So after that I didn't do too much thing throughout the whole day. I went to the first floor to ground floor, ground floor to first floor to ground floor. These all the things which was happened in today's routine from the my side, from like these all the kinds of thing that I had done. And after that I didn't do too much thing. Yeah guys, I can say that I didn't do too much thing throughout the whole day. So basically at the evening, I filled the cooler. Okay, I filled the cooler, and yeah, after that at the evening I uh, basically my father brought mango and lychee. I don't know what we call lychee in English. Okay, so let me translate it first. Okay, I don't know what we call lychee in English, so let's translate first. It is better to translate at the same time, so that we don't go any different place. Okay, so I want to translate lychee. We call lychee in English lychee. Okay, lychee, I think it is same as we call lychee. If I wrote uh, Karela. this bitter gourd. So we call the same. Okay, lychee. My father brought, and at the time of evening, I ate, and after that I went to the first floor. I cleaned all the my desk, as well as I situated my books and copies at the same time. Okay, at this perfect place. Okay, and my both the sister cleaned the room in a very perfect manner. Okay, so basically this is a thing which was happened. And yesterday, sorry guys, today, yeah guys, I searched too many things about the job opportunities and about the career opportunity, but to pursue after 12th, I was searching, and that's all the things which was happened. And after that, at the end I went for the sleep. My sister was watching the film, so I also watched film. Not more than 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, we watched only 2-3 minutes, not more than 2-3 minutes. Okay, after that we went for the sleep. But you already know that at the way I got sleep at a very late night, and this is the problem happened. So after that I woke up and I on the light, and after that I opened the laptop, and after that I started typing practice. Okay, I typed it too many times, and after that I used my laptop, and after that I went for the sleep because I feel sleepy. So basically guys, this is a thing which was happened today. I hope you really understand till yet. If you really understand this video, then kindly please like it, because if you like some videos, it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos at a continuously manner. And if you found any kind of mistake from my side while speaking, like grammar error, any kinds of, then you can tell me in the comment section. If you will help me, then I really appreciate you that you are trying to help me. Okay guys, so let's start today's 5 words. So let me see it where we end, and we will today also revise it. Okay, first. So guys, my sweating is already happens the same, and we 3 minutes, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, around 4.5 minutes. Okay, so let me pause the video on the let me on the cooler first. So basically guys, our first word is swing. Swing means guys jhula. Now let's take an example of swing. When I sat on the Ram Jhula, sorry guys, when I sat on the Ram's Jhula, or we can say that the Ram swing, after that when it starts, I feels very scared because I have heitophobia. That's why I feels very scared, because I have heitophobia. Okay. Children likes to take ride of swing. Yeah. Even all the kids likes to ride in swing, but some of the kids have too much fear of the swing. Ha ha ha. That's it. So our second word is coward. Means darpo, kaya. In coward word means, if I tell you that the person who is you know like not a strong, we can say that, seems like a darpo, kaya. In a 10th or 11th class, I learned the one of the poem about the coward dragon. Maybe I don't know exactly. In 11, 9, 10, 11, 12, I don't know the which class chapter was that. But on there was a star. There was everybody told that dragon that is the coward dragon. But at the end, everybody's life saved him. But at the end, everybody again told him that it is a coward dragon. We went somewhere. That's why we did not save to everybody. That's the thing. So let's take an example. You are a very coward natured person. That's why I don't like you. You don't take your decision in a very perfectly manner. That's why I don't like you. So our third word is heartbeat. I don't know what we call it. We call heartbeat or heartbeat. I don't know, but I'll call this heartbeat, not heartbeat. Heartbeat. Let's see the pronunciation of heartbeat. Okay. So yeah. heart beat, दिल की धड़कन. The pronunciation is
heartbeat, heartbeat, heartbeat,
that is heartbeat, guys. Okay, so basically too much sweating happens. Let me on the cooler again and I'll pause the video. Okay, so yeah, basically guys, the heartbeat. So his heartbeat increasing day by day. I don't know why he should take medicine at a proper time, or he should have to consult a good doctor with good doctor, so that they can professionally they can good advice to him. So it will be really good for his health. Our fourth word is earth. Earth means, guys, dharti. The whole human beings as well as the animals are situated on earth. Nobody will be the owner of their self without the earth. That's it. Our last word is effort. Effort means, guys, prayas. I know that they all of them too much efforts, and I really appreciate it. But if we don't they do hard work by doing the efforts, not. He should have to do hard work with smart work to achieve their goal target. Okay, guys. So basically, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our 5 words has been completed. So let's take a rapid round. Okay, and where we will learn from the first to the bottom all the vocabulary which we have learned from the first June. Okay, it's 12:10. We will start. Let's see when will be complete. Okay, so start. स्वीकार करना, एक्सेप्ट, एक्नॉलेज, बेचैनी, एंजाइटी, आत्मा, सोल, उत्सुक, ईगर, भक्त, डिवोटी, सांस, प्रीत, ले आओ, ब्रिंग, आरामदायक, कंफर्टेबल, समझाना, एक्सप्लेन, लिफाफा, समझाना, और वी कैन से समझाना, एक्सप्लेन इज ऑल्सो, बट समझाना मीन्स गाइज या एक्सप्लेन, लिफाफा, एनवेलप, धीरज, पेशेंस, समझाना, विस्पर, निश्चित रूप से, अपरेंटली, जरूरी, एसेंशियल, सचमुच, डेफिनेटली और लिटरली, पीछे, बिहाइंड, बनाना, क्रिएट, खटखटाना, नॉक, पास, नियर, अंधविश्वास, सुपरस्टिशन, परेशानी, ट्रबल, बहकाना, मिसगाइड, बहादुर, ब्रेव, कुंवारा, बैचलर, रिश्तेबाजी करना, फॉर फ्लर्ट, लगाव, अफेक्शन, बदनाम करना, डिफेम, डांटना, स्कोल्ड, बेवकूफ, नासमझ, चले, नीचा दिखाना, ह्यूमिलेट, पहुंचना, अराइव्ड, विरोध करना, प्रोटेस्ट, निर्देश, इंस्ट्रक्शन, न्याय, जस्टिस, विचार, थॉट, रोना, वीप, भौंकना, बार, खिलाना, फीड, पकड़ना, कैच, बगल में, बिसाइड, के खिलाफ, अगेंस्ट, पर्दे, कर्टेन, पक्का, श्योर, आज रात, टुनाइट, हाल ही में, रिसेंटली, आधी रात, आज रात, टुनाइट, हाल ही में, रिसेंटली, आधी रात, मिडनाइट, मुश्किल से, बैरली, के बजाय, इंस्टीट, नतीजा, रिजल्ट और आउटकम, पैदल, ऑन फुट, कांच, ग्लास, सचमच, ग्लासेस, कपड़े धोने का स्थान, लॉन्ड्री, चोट, इंजरी, कमर, वेस्ट, जड़ी बूटी, हर, बर्तन, यूटेंसिल, शिमला मिर्च, बेल पेपर, पालक, स्पिनच, मूली, रेडिश, उपयुक्त, उपयुक्त, प्रॉपर, एप्रोप्रिएट, जागरूकता, अवेयरनेस, तरक्की, प्रोग्रेस, प्रारंभिक, इनिशियल, प्राचीन, इनसाइड, प्रस्ताव, प्रस्ताव, वी कैन से प्रस्ताव, चैलेंज, प्रपोजल, संभावना, पॉसिबिलिटी, बातचीत, बातचीत, कंसल्टेशन, कन्वर्जेशन, आदत, हैबिट, बीमार, सिक, उपाय, रेमेडी, सल्यूशन, उत्साह, एंथुजियाज्म, जिद्दी, स्टबर्न, तालमेल, कोऑर्डिनेशन, थोड़ा, ए लिटिल बिट, भाग्य, फेट, हालत, कंडीशन, उम्मीद, होप, उलझन, डिलेमा, कंफ्यूजन, उचित, वी कैन से उचित, प्रॉपर, ऐतिहासिक, हिस्टोरिकल, खासियत, कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स, घूरना, स्टीयर, घाव, बाउंड, इच्छा, डिजायर, झूला, स्विंग, डरपोक, कायर, वी कैन से दैट, कोवर्ड, धड़कन, हार्ट बीट, धरती, अर्थ, प्रयास, effort. So basically guys, we have completed it. 14 minutes 50 seconds. So 12, 13, 14, around 2 and 36 seconds. So guys, I have too much sweating. Let me on the cooler first. So basically guys, this is the thing which was happened today, And in accountancy, I'm gonna tell you one topic so that we can't skipping any topic. Okay, so let me introduce you one topic, that is um, what is WCR, Workman Compensation Reserve. So basically it is a reserve where we have to make a reserve for a future anticipated loss from the employee. For an example, if an employee working on the factory, and his hand was cut because of the machine, so employee came and they are asking for their employee compensation reserve, for a compensation because his hands were cut by your company. So the company made in a proper workman compensation reserves, so the amount he will claim. Okay, so basically guys, this is a topic and we have to learn in the company sector. This is basically, and we have to do it a very perfectly manner and made a properly manner. And it is very important thing for the company that to make a workman compensation reserve. We in short we call this workman compensation fund. And we may basically we use this in the partnership firm, because in the firms, partnership firm, there are too many kinds of reserve, like general reserve, free reserve, workman compensation reserve, and and there were too many reserve, and we also called that WCF, workman compensation fund. Okay, so basically this is the thing which also happened today. Let's end the video guys. See you, bye bye.